What's up, folks? Michael Southeast Foxbody here with you. Got a cool little product I want to show you that I just put on the Red Devil. You know me, I'm all straight up and straight facts. If it ain't worth a shit, I'm gonna tell you, and if it's good, I'm gonna show you. And this is damn sure good stuff. So if you got a 79 through 93 coupe, you're definitely gonna want to check this out. All right, so if everybody don't know what these things are, and most of you probably don't, these are your torsion bars that go in your trunk on a coupe. That's what keeps your deck lid up when you open it up, keeps it from dropping on your head. They rattle, they clank, they make noise, they're junk. Got you a solution for that. All right, so y'all asking yourself, all right, Mikey, what's the deal? What's these magic things that's gonna get rid of these torsion rods in the trunk of my coupe? I'm fixing to show you. No more torsion rods. Hello, trunk struts. This little kit right here is from a company called FFP Customs. That's Fraser's Fabrication and Performance. They're down around Tampa, Florida. Cool little product. Website's ffpcustoms.com. Ryan's a good guy, answered any questions I had. And when you go on the website looking at them, you click on them to buy. You got two choices. You got the natural color here, or you can get them in black. It's going to show back ordered on the website. Look, he's making them as fast as he can, average 2 to 3 weeks out. Mine took about a week. Not saying yours is going to come that fast, but they could. Trust me, he's turning them out quick as he can. You got to machine these stuff down with a CNC machine. Stuff don't happen overnight. But anyway, man, get rid of them rattly ass torsion rods. This is the answer. Cool product, easy to install. He's got great videos. Y'all want to upgrade your coupe trunk? I know it's something pretty simple looking, but I mean, if you think about it, you pop the trunk, you got a little bling back there if you choose to go that route. I personally think it's one of the better modifications I've ever done to a Foxbody. Y'all might agree, y'all might not, but like I said before, I'm gonna straightforward with you. If it works, I'm gonna tell you about it. If it don't work, I'm gonna tell you about it. Well, in this case right here, this is some good stuff. So y'all check it out, ffpcustoms.com.